are in this amazing little vision van. It's almost like a mobile clinic. We are offering free eye tests to the public just to raise awareness, trying to get as many people in and do some checks.
We debuted it last year. It was the first time that we'd ever done a project like this. We were so surprised at how successful it was last year and how well it was received. Amazingly, 85% of people who we gave eye tests to needed a new prescription, and 1 in 10 people were referred to their GP. I think the great thing about the Vision Van is it looks fantastic. It makes people stop and think. Even if they don't have time to have an eye test today, they've been able to take away a free voucher to enable them to have an eye test at another time.
They're coming in and they're like, wow, this is amazing, it's free, I've had all these tests done, it's really thorough. Obviously they're getting a copy of their prescription, it's all very positive.
People are really interested. They're interested in what we're doing. They're very warm to the idea of actually stepping off the street and into the Vision Van for an eye test.
We've had a fairly busy morning. I haven't seen anything outside of the norm. The most exciting thing we saw was slightly bendy blood vessels at the back of the eye, which may indicate slight high blood pressure, but otherwise it's all been pretty straightforward.
We're in London today, Marble Arch. We're going off to Bournemouth tomorrow. On Wednesday we're in Cardiff. Thursday we are in Hull, and Friday we're in Manchester. We're also making sure that we're going to areas of the country that are affected by a high prevalence of eye conditions. National Eye Health Week, it's all about raising awareness of the importance of eye tests. And the message is to reach as many people as possible and to remind them that if they haven't had an eye test in the last 2 years, to make sure that it's on their priority list.
Far too few people in the UK even bother to get an eye test. And eye tests are just so important in diagnosing future problems with sight loss. Currently in the UK, over 2 million people have a degree of sight loss that they describe as having a significant effect on their daily lives. That's worrying enough. But by the year 2050, our projections say that number will have doubled to over 4 million,